Welcome in my students. Today we are going to see how do you get squares of numbers. Now, we know from 1 up to 10, the square numbers here are very easy. But now, when you go beyond 10, we are going to see you don't need a calculator to get them. This is the simple method. Now, I'm going to start with 12. Now, if you have 12, you create 3 gaps like this. 1, 2, then 3. Now, you square the first figure. When I square 1, I get 1. When I square 2, I get a 4. Then you get 1 times 2, that's 2. Then you multiply it by 2. So you say 1 times 2, then the result, you multiply it by 2. So this will give me a 4. And now you see, and now the square of 1, 2 is 1, 4, 4. When you press the calculator, and that's what you get. When I come to number 2, here I have the whole square. Still do the same. You say 1 square, you get your 3. So 1 squared is 1. Now, when you square a 5, you get 25. Then you say 1 times 5, then the whole, then you multiply it by 2. So you start this will be a 10. Now, when you have 2 digits here, this is how you handle it. Now your 1, 5 square will be, you write this 5, you carry this 1 here. So 0 plus, you carry this 2 here. So you write this 5, then you say this 2 you carry here. So 0 plus 2, you get 2. Now you carry this 1 here. You say 1 plus 1, you get 2. And I'm sure when you press a square of 15, that's what you get. Now when I come to 3, I have now 23 square. You still divide it, you get your 3 here. When you square a 2, you get a 4. When you square a 3, you get a 9. Then 2 times 3, then by 2. Here I think you get a 12. Now, so this is 1, you write your 9. Then you write this 2, you carry this 1 and you add on that. So you say this 1 plus a 4, you get a 5. And this will be your square of 2, 3, that with ease. Now when I come to 4, I have my 4 here as 4, 8 squared. You draw your 3. When you square 4, you get 16. When you square 8, you get 64. Now when you get 4 times 8, that's 32. Then times 2, you get a 64. Then here you write, so my 4, 8 square will be, you write this 4, then you carry this 6 here. So it's a 6 plus 4, you get 10, you write 0, but you know you have to carry 1. So this will be now 7. You get this 7, you add it on this. So 7 plus a 6, that is 13. So write here 3, you carry the 1. When you add this and this, you get a 2. And I know when you press the square of this, that's what you get. I can prove to you that you say 48 squared. I think you can see that properly. Now, when we come to these numbers, whether we have 3 digits, how do we handle them? 3 digits now, and for studying this, you have it as 1, 2, 2. Then you have a 2. Now, how we handle this is very easy. You divide this number, so you have a 3. Now you treat this as a 1-digit number. So you still divide it, you get our 3 like this. Then you say, when you square this, you get a 4. Then when you square this, you can easily get this because you know how to get them now. You can easily get this, you just come and do it as your side work, the square of this, that's what you want. You square this, then you also square this. Now we are treating this as one number. So you saw that in this one you get 4, then you get this one here, then you say this time is this, it is 2, then by 2 we are having that. Now, so when you square this, you get 1, 4, 4. Then this and this, that's 24. Then by 2, so you say 12 times 2, then by 2. There we shall be having 48. So now, in getting now, this will be 1, 2, 2 squared will be, we write R4, then write this 8, you get this 4 and add it there. When I add this 4 here, you'll be adding, you see that 8, then I write my 14. When you get a square of that, I'm sure that's what you get. Look, 1, 2, 2, square, the answer is, I think we can see the answer. So now when you come to number 6, you see my number 6 is here. I have now my number 6 as 305, then square. Still divide this 3. So now I take this to be one number as that. So we say that is squared. Now using this formula, you just get your 30 here, you need a square of it. When you square 0, you divide your power 3. When you square 0, you get 0. Then 3 times 3 times 0. Then by 2, you still get a 0. When you square the 3, you get a 9. So that part square gives us 900. So put your 900 here. Then when you square 5, you get 25. Then 30 times 5, you get your calculator. That's 150, I think. So 30 times 5. Then times 2, you get 300. Now what you do, now our 305 squared will be, you write this 5, you carry this 2 here, when I carry this 2 here, and I add it to this, I'll be adding 2. Now so that I'll be adding 30 remaining. So you get this 30, you add it here, I'll be adding now 900, you add a 30, you'll be adding 930. And that's the answer. When you get your calculator, you say 305 squared. I think you can see the answer there. Now, last step, let me handle this and you try this in your free time. Now, I have 997 as 4, 3, 8 squared. Still we divide it into. Now you treat this as a single figure. So you say 43 squared. This one is what you get if they are two digits. You just get your 43, you need a square of it. 43 squared, you say, when you divide 3 into 3, when you square 4, you get 16. When you square 9, when you square 3, you get 9. 4 times 3, that's 12. Then by 2, you get 24. So this one will give you 9, 4, and you add this to this, we are in 18. So now when you square this, you get 1, 8, 4, 9. When you square 8, you get 64. Now you say 43 times 8. You get your calculation, you can set 43 times 8. That's 3 for 4. Then times 2, that's 6, 8, 8. Now, you do the same thing. So now my 4, 3, 8 squared will be, you write this 4, you carry this 4 here. Now you carry this 6 here. When you add 8 plus 6, you get your 14. So you write 4, you carry 1 here, now this will be 69. So you get 1849 plus 69. This will be 8. When you add, this will be 18. When you take 8, you carry 1, this will be 11. You write 1, you carry 1, this will be 9. Then this will be 1. So write this here as 1, 9, 1, 8. And I'm sure when you square this, you get this answer. See? I think you can see that's the answer we are getting there. 19184. So members, I wish you the best Try out number 8.